How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete WhatsApp messages for everyone even after a long time has passed. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply head to the chat where you want to delete a message. This could be your own or someone else's chat. Now, once you have opened the chat, simply press and hold on the message that you would like to delete. And after that, tap on the bin icon that appears at the top. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply choose the option that says delete for everyone. And once you tap on that, this will remove the message from both your chat and the other person. And that's it. That's how you can delete WhatsApp messages for everyone even after a long time. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.